Have you ever wanted to dip your toes into the world of crypto, but found the whole process confusing and intimidating? Maybe you're already an M1 user and you've seen the crypto tab pop up, but you're not sure how it all works. Well, that's what we're here to talk about today. M1 Finance has made a name for itself by simplifying investing with its pie and slice system. Now, they've taken that same philosophy and applied it to cryptocurrency. But they didn't build a new crypto exchange from scratch. Instead, they did something smart. They partnered with a major player in the institutional crypto space, a company called Bakkt. This integration is what makes M1's crypto offering so seamless and secure. So, how does it actually work? Think of Bakkt as the powerful engine running in the background. When you open a crypto account with M1, you're not actually creating a new M1 account. You're creating a Bakkt Crypto Solutions account that you manage directly through the M1 interface. Bakkt is a publicly traded company with deep roots in the financial and digital asset world. They provide the infrastructure for crypto trading, including the secure custody of your assets and the plumbing for trades. This is a huge advantage. By using Bakkt's institutional-grade platform, M1 is able to offer a robust and secure way to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies without having to deal with the complexities of managing your own private keys or a separate crypto wallet. Your crypto assets are held in a secure, custodial wallet powered by Bakkt. And the best part? It's all integrated into M1's signature pie system. You can build a crypto pie just like you would with stocks and ETFs. You choose the coins you want, set your target percentages, and M1's automation takes care of the rest. You can even enable auto invest, which will use each new deposit to rebalance your portfolio and keep you on track with your long-term strategy. It's the same hands-off, intelligent investing approach that M1 users love, but now for crypto. Bakkt handles the heavy lifting, the trading, the custody, the security, and the regulatory compliance, while M1 provides the clean, user-friendly interface and the automated investing tools you're already familiar with. It's a powerful collaboration that makes getting into crypto less about navigating complex technology and more about building a diversified, long-term portfolio. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.